Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE, and right now we about to check out Undefeated, XG, and Valorant official music video. Now, of course, you know me for playing No, I don't. I leave that up to my roommate. She be screaming.
Ba-bum, ba-bum. There you are, you little shit.
Some of that. I hear that every day.
Fuck you. Pink me, whore.
What? To be honest, I'm so used to it. It's like music to my ears. I fall asleep to this, literally. And to be honest, she's lucky to have a roommate that can fall asleep to that. It's actually not that bad. Anyways, we're about to check out Undefeated, XG, and Valorant. Literally, the reason why I'm checking this out is not, big up to Valorant. It's not the game for me, but XG, they that group for me. I love XG. If you're new to XG, be sure to go check them out. They have some bangers. I really want to go to one of the concerts. Real talk. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh, cap shots. Ooh, is there 4K? Man. All right. Anyways, XG. Let's go. Riot Games. Ooh. God damn. What's that, electric fart? The hell? Okay. Break it down now. Damn. Got me bouncing on the beat like what? Woo! Okay, you looking into the future? Would you look at that? Ooh. Obviously, they're representing all the characters in Valorant too. Not XG, but like this animation. Ooh. Ooh. Damn. Why are they so cold with it, bro? What? Look, yo. I know you're probably gonna hate me for repeating, but let's go. Whoa!
Yup!
Hey!
Yeah!
Hey!
Turn up! Yup! What else?
Woo! That's what I call it for that! Hey! That's fire. Shout out to everybody working on this too. You know, Simon, Chancellor, everybody in them. Woo! Oh shit! Not the shoe, bruh. Damn. Hey man, you too loud, they said. Let him get him the zone, bro. Let him get him the zone. With the jumper, then the adios. Gotta go. I'm the prima donna, make him do the most. Not enough, I'm just warming up. We up in the club. Woo! I'm ready to hunt, time to eat it up. Eat it up, hey! Two steps, look who's scared, now you on the run. You gon' hear my soundtrack go dun 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 dun. Ba-bum. Okay, we out here, we out. You gon' hear my soundtrack go dun 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 dun. I'm riots when I pull the stun. I got him shook, I'm on a road, check on my stats. Ain't no rivals, y'all. Okay, we blinded. Oh, the crystal ball cracked. Undefeated. Undisputed. Hey, would you look at that? Okay, I might bump this. Okay. They ready? Bro, literally XG is in another caliber to me. Okay. We're making plays. We're getting wins. Getting dubs. I don't play Valorant, but I've seen it enough. I'm surrounded by people that play Valorant where I understand it enough. Oh. Breaking glasses in this bitch. Keep on going like you gotta get a scratch on the button in this bitch.
What else?
And we twerking on the beat like we knowing them.
What else?
All these other bitches looking like they knowing them. Don't even listen to my rap. That was stupid. Ooh. Shout out to everybody. VCT Pacific. Oh damn, it's not even done. I thought okay. Stage 1. You already know, XG. They killed that shit. Put a comments down below what you guys think of XG X Valorant's collaboration called Undefeated. I think they killed it. Definitely probably gonna put this on the playlist, as you should too. Leave in the comments down below what you guys think. Do you guys play Valorant? Who is your main? I don't play Valorant. But again, like I said, I'm surrounded by people that do. It's a lot of yelling and yeah. Alright, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.